Oh, spring morning. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. It's great to have you back here today. What we're going to be doing is pairing this very cute blue dress that I have. I forget the brand, but it's adorable. And I look really fancy. But I'm going to be pairing this outfit with a pair of Wolfords that I'm already wearing that are very shimmery, natural, love them, amazing Wolford brand. Then I'm going to be changing into another pair of Wolfords that are the Neon 40 tights, 40 den in the shade of black. So, full transparency, I am not the biggest fan of black and blue put together. Again, I can be kind of lame when it comes to color combinations. And this is a stretch for me because honestly, I think this look is amazing. Like this blue with the white and then the white shoes and a really pretty, like, I'm walking backwards in heels was not the most graceful thing I have ever done. But I think it looks great. I don't know. Wow, words aren't coming out of my brain. I just really like the natural tone when it comes to a dress like this. But you know what? We're going to try the black because love doing some adventurous type stuff for you guys. And we'll really see at the end if my aversion to... Sorry, there's like a spider on the wall. Caught my eye. If my aversion to black and blue switches. So without further ado, I'm going to change into these neon Wolfords shimmering 40 den. I could have opened them up before I took off the other pantyhose, but oof, I absolutely just put down my dress so I can open these up. I got excited and I took my panties, or not my panties, I took off my pantyhose too quickly. It's interesting, I'm really bad at opening packages, like even for food. Really bad at opening packages even for food. What I'll do is like for example, if I'm trying to get it into a box of granola bars or something, I will just absolutely rip it and the flaps don't fit into the box anymore. It's just a mess, but I'm trying to be conscientious of how I remove the pantyhose. Alrighty, so we've got the Neon 40 with the Wolford. It's on the band. Obvious Wolford quality. So now, without further ado, I will put them on. I do love a black pantyhose, like how it looks on my body, like on my legs. I think there's almost nothing like sexier than a black pantyhose leg. So dress aside, I think these pantyhose are amazing. Let's see what they say on the package. They are 40 den, almost invisible reinforced toe, soft elastic linear waistband with a logo, which is there, and they are shiny. Again, this is a black Wolford Neon 40 tights that are shimmery. So let's take a look at them. Amazing. Neon 40 Wolfords are just like top tier pantyhose. Yeah, the 40 den is noticeable because you can barely see my painted toenails. They're super comfortable. They do have a shiny look on them. With my dress, though, I don't like it. To be honest, I'm sorry. I just don't. I'm not a fan of the black and blue, like maybe the black and blue, but the top of the dress really doesn't go with the black, in my opinion. For me, black pantyhose, like, I don't know, they're more of a sultry look for me in my mind, or even, it doesn't have to be, but I don't think that they go with this sort of vibe. So, yes, the pantyhose themselves, amazing. The dress itself, amazing. Together, not so much. But you can let me know what you think. Maybe you do like black and blue, or what would you pair a nice pair of black pantyhose like the Wolford Neon 40s? What outfit and color would you pair it with? And maybe I will do a video of that. I think that's it, because I guess I could put the shoes on with this. Again, I'm not a fan of like white shoes with a black pantyhose, so I don't think that really goes. The way that I started out the video is how I feel the dress kind of should be. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being a fan. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I have a Patreon if you're interested. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.